Hyundai Pay, you can pay for fuel at participating stations using the touch screen of your compatible Hyundai. To use it, you must first have an active Bluelink account and have your Hyundai Pay account set up as well. Be sure to watch the Hyundai Pay setup video to learn how to do so. Make sure that fueling is set up as one of your services. First, enter the destination area. Then select Search near POI and then Gas Stations. The map will show a full list of gas stations. To prioritize stations where you can use Hyundai Pay, select the filter icon at the top. Then select Hyundai Pay, and then press the back arrow. The list will repopulate to prioritize stations where you can use Hyundai Pay. You can then use navigation to route you to the station. Upon arrival, the screen will give you the option to continue to the Pay section. Select which of your stored payment methods you wish to use. Then enter the pump number you wish to use. Check to make sure everything is correct. If you need to change something, select the area to change. Once everything is correct, press Pay. Enter your My Hyundai with Bluelink PIN to complete the transaction. Now be sure to start fueling within 1 minute at the selected pump. It's that simple. While fueling, this may be a great time to check your engine oil level. See the How to Check the Engine Oil Level video to learn how. After fueling, your receipt will pop up on screen, and you can go into Recent Activity to see the purchase as well as other recent Hyundai Pay transactions. For more information on using Hyundai Pay to pay for parking, charging, and more, be sure to watch the rest of the Hyundai Pay videos at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai.